Glad you're back! Welcome to our last video. Have you ever felt like you could ace anything, math, engineering, athletics, but when it comes to languages, it feels like uncharted territory? Or maybe you're planning a trip to France and the thought of saying something wrong leaves you feeling uneasy. Well, let's change that. Welcome to the Joëlette Bilingual Extensive, a program that's tailor-made for ambitious professionals like yourself, ready to speak multiple languages. Now, let's see if this program is your cup of tea. It's perfect for you if you're an overachiever, eager to be admired for being bilingual. If that trip to France is making you anxious about being misunderstood, this program has your back. And hey, even if learning a second language seems like a new horizon for you, trust me, it's doable. But hold on, it's not for everyone. If you're expecting this course to hand you motivation on a platter rather than finding it within yourself, it might not be your fit. Similarly, if making mistakes isn't something you're ready for, or if following instructions is a bit of a challenge, we might not be on the same page. Now, let's dive into what's in store for you within the 6-step journey of the Bilingual Extensive program. First up, we're talking clear pronunciation. Say goodbye to errors with the Pronunciation Cure course, your ultimate guide to flawless French pronunciation and spelling. Then, we're tackling reading, writing, and vocabulary mastery. Ordering your favorite meal at a French restaurant? No sweat after this step. Next, it's about building a robust foundation. Grammar, verbs, the whole 9 yards. Soon, you'll be holding extended conversations on any topic with your French friends or clients. Hold tight for the ear gymnastic sessions. We're boosting your listening skills. Think French movies without subtitles and understanding French songs. And yep, this is happening. Moving forward, it's immersive practice in constructing phrases during conversations. No more English with French word situations. Last but not least, we're diving deep into French culture. You'll be picking conversation topics effortlessly, enjoying museums, books, movies, and getting those cultural references. But wait, how does the program work? Well, it's got 3 key parts. Part 1, Bilingual Express pre-recorded video trainings for a strong vocabulary and grammar foundation with lifetime access. Part 2, a lifeline, email conversation check-ins, questions, feedback. I'm here to ensure you never get stuck. And the cherry on top, Part 3, it's all about conversation practice. From personalized one-on-one sessions to micro groups and conversations in our VIP Facebook group where you can chat with similar level peers. It's a safe, immersive, real-life conversation experience. Ready to jump in? Head over to confidentconversationclub.com, book a 30-minute Zoom call, and let's chat about how this method will take you from bonjour to confident French speaker.